Guten Tag students, welcome back once again. So in my last video we have covered Fragen und Antworten, we have covered first question of Erbeit's book, and today I am going to start with the second question of Erbeit's book. You know what you have to do? 3 things that you are doing always. Subscribe the channel, hit the like button below, and don't forget to press the bell icon for further updates. So I taught you about Das Perfect and I taught you about few rules as well. We have to use two auxiliary verbs, haben and sein. I have also given the verb conjugation of both the verbs in my last video, and today I am going to start with the second question. So without wasting further, let's begin with your question now. So students, as you can see, today I am gonna start with your second question. In this question we have to use Das Perfect the same way we have done this question, first one. Same way we will do second question. Keep two things in mind. Point number 1 is haben, helping verb, and position of helping verb will be second, and point number 2 will be sein, helping verb, and the position again will be second. Now I got some queries regarding the same. Ma'am, how can we identify whether we have to use haben or sein? So this is very simple. 90% of the verbs take haben. 90% verbs take the help of haben, and when there is no movement, we will use haben, and remaining 10% will use sein when there will be a movement. Okay, so first one is late, viele, Freunde, ein. As per the rule I taught you, this is my verb, it will go at last, right? And what will come here at the place of late? It will become helping verb, so it will become heart. Write down the same sentence. It is written viele Freunde ein, correct, and this is lad, so eingeladen. Okay, this is my past form of the verb. Now let's start with the next point. Wir fliegen nach Deutschland. Focus, which is my verb, fliegen is my verb. So what will I do? I will write down my verb at last, and what will come here? My helping verb. But here I will use sein, because if I am traveling from one place to another place or one country to another country, there will be a movement. So the translation of this point will be, we will fly to Germany. If I am going to Germany, definitely there will be a movement. Now what will you do? Write down the same sentence. Wir, helping verb will be sind, then same nach, then same Deutschland, and at the place of fliegen I will write the past form, geflogen. This is my past form of the verb, simple. Das Kind wird dick, which is my verb, this is my verb, it will go at last. Now das Kind ist, इसमें भी कौन सी verb लगी? sein. Das Kind ist dick, and wird will become geworden. This is my past form. And if you have problem finding the past form of the verb, you may take the help of your layer book. Simple. Der Alter geht spazieren. This is my verb. If the meaning of this line is, the old man is going for a walk. If he is going for a walk, there will be a movement, and movement के साथ we will use sein. Okay, so der Alter ist same spazieren. Spazieren means walk. Geht का past form will be gegangen. Simple. This is very simple. Der Baum wächst schnell, which means the tree grows quickly. Grows, movement hai, obviously there will be a change. Der Baum ist schnell gewachsen. Okay, this is my past form, this is my past form. I am helping you with these points also. Sitz is my verb, kannst is my verb, danke is my verb, unterschreiben is my verb, and nehmen here is my verb. Might be you are thinking, ma'am, why the verb is given here at first position? Because here we have question mark, okay, and here also we have question mark, but the question is starting with W family, okay. And this we have done in my last class, so let's quickly recall their answer. Die Kinder haben die Vokabel wiedergeholt, answer of this one. Frau Braun hat mit ihrer Freundin telefoniert. It will come at last. Er hat die Geldstücke gezahlt. Then habt ihr gern klassische Musik gehört? And sie hat ihn geliebt. So I am giving you the solution of these 4 in the last of this video. Please write down the same in your German notebook. These 5 points will be your homework, and rest will do in our next class. Till then, bye bye, stay home, stay safe everybody.